Dear students, how are you? I hope that you are very well by the mercy of Allah. I am also well. Today I shall discuss about narration. Narration means the speech of any person. We can find two types of narration or two forms of narration. One is direct speech and another is indirect speech. Direct speech, for example, Karim said, I am happy today. Karim said, this verb is called reporting verb. Reporting verb. And underline sentence is reported speech. Reported speech. Reported speech. So Karim said that we use here that instead of comma. Here I indicates Karim. So we should use he. And am converted to was. Happy today, that day. Today converted to that day. We should remember some important things to changing narration. Some important things to remember: changing person, changing tense, and changing close word to distant word. নৈকট্যবাচক ওয়ার্ডকে দূরত্ববাচক ওয়ার্ডে পরিণত করতে হবে। Okay, my dear students, move to the next. Tense here, changing tense, direct and indirect. Present tense, present indefinite will be past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense would be past continuous tense. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous will be past perfect continuous tense. And past indefinite will be past perfect tense. Here we can see two past perfect. One present perfect, past perfect, and another is past indefinite, also past perfect. Past continuous tense converted to past perfect continuous tense. Here we also see two past perfect continuous tense. One was present perfect continuous converted to past perfect continuous, and another is past continuous converted to past perfect continuous. Now move to the next. Changing, dear students, close word to distant word. How close word will be changed to distant word, direct and indirect. Now will be then, here, there, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last day, the previous day. Okay, next. Okay, dear students, changing person. First person will be changed. First person indicates subject, second person indicates object, and third person remain unchangeable. For example, Shumi said, I can sing a song. Here, I indicate subject. So, indirect sentence will be, Shumi said that I converted to she, and can would be could sing a song. So, indirect speech will be, Shumi said that she could sing a song. Understand? Next. Next example, Shakil said to Arafat, you are lucky. Here, you, second person indicate object. Here object is Arafat. Here object is Arafat. So, Shakil, we should use said to told. We should use said to told. Shakil told Arafat that he was lucky. He, who is he here? Arafat. He was you, second person, and second person indicate object. Here object was Arafat. So the indirect sentence will be Shakil told Arafat that he was lucky. Next. Okay. Now next example, he said he is ill today. সে বলল যে সে আজকে অসুস্থ। He Here he is third person, and here he is also third person. So third person remain unchangeable. So indirect sentence will be he said that he was ill today will be that day. I repeat again. He said he is ill today. He said that he is converted to was. He was ill today converted to that day. So he said he is ill today. The indirect form will be he said that he was ill that day. Next. बोलेंगे नहीं ना? Dear students, now assertive sentence. Assertive sentence and narration. Structure subject plus said that or told, then report speech এর person ও tense এর পরিবর্তন হবে। যেমন সুমা said to রুমা I am reading a book. সুমা রুমাকে বললো আমি একটি বই পড়ছি। এখানে আইটা হচ্ছে সুমা said to রুমা, আইটা হচ্ছে সুমাকে বোঝায় আর রুমাটা হচ্ছে অবজেক্ট। ইনডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ সুমা টোল্ড, সেড টুর পরিবর্তে টুল্ড হবে, সেড টুর পরিবর্তে টুল্ড হবে। সুমা টোল্ড রুমা দ্যাট, আই হবে শি, শি হচ্ছে সুমা। শি ওয়াজ রিডিং এ বুক, শি ওয়াজ রিডিং এ বুক। নেক্সট এক্সাম্পল ফ্রেন্ডস, নেক্সট এক্সাম্পল সুমন সেড টু রুমন আই রুট এ লেটার ইয়েস্টারডে। Wrote past tense, past indefinite would be past perfect, past indefinite past perfect. So Shumon told, had said to পরিবর্তে হবে told. Shumon told Roman that I হবে he হচ্ছে সুমন। had written, এখানে ছিল past indefinite, সেটা হবে past perfect। past perfect এর মধ্যে had আছে এবং মূল ভার্বে past participle from. He had written a letter yesterday হবে the previous day, yesterday হবে the previous day. So the indirect sentence will be Shuman told Roman that he had written a letter the previous day. Next, dear students, I will give you some homework to do. Please write down the homework. Number 1, Shumi said to Rumi, I have cooked rice. Okay. Number 2, the farmer said it was raining heavily. Number 3, Tuli said I went to Dhaka yesterday. Number 4, they said we are playing now. Number 5, Humaira said man is mortal. These 5 sentences will be remain for your homework. Keep stay at home, don't go anywhere. Allah Hafiz, and we shall meet in the next class. Okay.